Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing today? It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. And you can go ahead and put an asterisk behind best and worst if you'd like. I got a little surprise by several things this evening, but this was just moments ago. I checked on Twitter, and Shel Winkley had said significant weather advisory for Madison, Trinity, San Jacinto, Houston, and Walker County until 4 a.m. I was like, what? I didn't think we were going to get any severe weather in Houston. I mean, I knew it was possible. I just didn't think I'd be staring at a red wave line like that. So then I kick on over to the maps as I'm pulling them up. And our record-setting leveled up land hurricane is still being amazing, but this squall line it has formed in its tail is one of the fastest, fiercest things I've ever seen. And this story gets more interesting and possibly dangerous. This could be the highest all-time ever Weird Wild Weather Watch alert for anyone in the coast. And in the path of this storm, it is pushing ahead of it some fierce straight line winds. I've been feeling my window rattle the last few hours. And the black marks are what I have called before a hurricane or volcano signals. And so to see this many moving this fast in semi-unison with this record-setting low system that is coming through is a good reason to be as weather aware as you may have ever been. And so we have our Orion arm of moisture reforming from the New Zealand area. And these are indeed the strangest days I've ever known. But watch how that low system forms up super fast. And I will keep you guys updated. This thing is state of emergency from theweatherchannel.com. Blizzard conditions, closes interstates, causes troopers death, over 1,000 stranded by historic winter storm. And this thing ain't no joke. It is next level. Major blizzard rocks plains with gusts up to 103 miles per hour. That's not a tornado. That's just the atmosphere getting super blowy. This bomb cyclone, find out how it got to be so strong. I'm guessing planetary orbital angular momentum, but we don't really have time to get into that right now. Everybody just be cool, stay safe, stay aware. And so, I don't want to alarm anybody, but it was about a year ago we had a 7.5 in the Caribbean. Some type of volcanic or earthquake activity happening in the Caribbean, I would say, is definitely possible with signals like this. But I will keep you guys posted. And like I said, well, here's our squall line, and that massive tail that sprung up real fast is going to swing right by me. And here's another strange, weird thing that I noted as I pulled up my internets and access to all the datas. So that is the projected 5-day rain total. That is a projected 7-day rain total. So if you add 2 more days, wait, that's 24 days, sorry. But still, whatever this weird red stripe is, that does not look good at all. That is 7 days away, but still, there's a lot of signs on the board that is getting weird. And notice how this is creating almost circular shapes as this thing is kicking out. You got to watch this tail form, man, or ma'am. Look at that thing. So Shreveport and Houston, I can feel it coming. That's why I hopped back on. It was like, hey, I'm smoking them now. And thank you to everybody for your love and your support and all the help and prayers and contributions and donations and magic gifts that may or may not be real. Things are very weird tonight. Well, look at that thing. That thing is nasty. I mean, the whole thing just looks bad. But hopefully we will survive. We will. Yeah. I'm a little off kilter. Mercury retrograde. We can't blame everything on Mercury retrograde. So we got to do the best we can. But I would definitely be prepared. We could definitely see some crazy shit between now and the 20th or 17th. And so, yep. I mean, we have a record-setting storm moving through. If that wasn't enough to tilt your interest, I'm saying that I can feel this line heading my way in a weird energetic way. And that all looks bad and nasty. And we know that this area is heavily saturated. And so it is going by a lot of the areas that already don't have any places to hold the rain or moisture. I go to that was an accident. I didn't mean to click that. But it's a good question. "365 rivers are flooding. 48 in major flood stage, 106 in moderate flood stage, 211 in minor flood stage." Yeah, so everything's a situation. So there's never been a better time than now. And for us all to put aside our little differences, find common ground and higher ground in some instances, and work together as one Earth family. Because the solar system appears to be evolving. I highly suggest we do the same. United we stand, together, and face these challenges. Or divided, these next-gen storms kick our butts. But I highly recommend checking out, if you're in any of the squall lines or in immediate danger, spaghettimodels.com, spaghettimodels.com. And then Twitter is always the best up-to-the-minute, up-to-date place for the latest news and up-to-the-minute. And that's our severe weather map, and it's foggy in a lot of places as well, which is always weird. But yeah, these are the thunderstorm watches in place. So please, everybody, be cool, stay cool. Good morning, happy Thursday. But check this out. That was Amarillo. Those are the winds we were talking about. That brought to us by Meredith Garofalo. And happy Pie Day, 3.14. My go-to pie throughout life has always been lemon meringue. I do love pie overall, though. Okay. Yeah, here's our big bad storm situation. It's like a superhero bat signal. And we got wild, wacky weather happening over in Europe as well. Talk about explosive thunderstorm development. Yeah, there's... And thank you. Okay. I was looking for somebody, I couldn't find it. So wait, let's do the just do one run of the models. I wanted to check the milliball low. 979. I still think we could see some major straight line wins as this thing passes. And are we sure it's hit the low already? I don't know. What's wrong with my voice? It's been a weird night. Good weird. Can't really talk about it. I don't even know if it's real. That's the thing we gotta watch. That's the thing that's causing all the rain. At least on the red Digamadoody. All right. Well, I'll try and be my best. Y'all try and be at your best. Stay positive. Keep positive thoughts. And God bless everyone. Peace out. Talk to you soon.